This body, woven from stardust, shaped by oceans, forests, fire, and bone. Your breath is billions of years old. Your DNA carries echoes of ancient fish, birds, primates. We are not separate from the story. We are just a part of its expression. We are not the body, and we are not the name. We are the awareness in which all this unfolds.
Man vindt altijd fantastische bed and breakfasts. Ook vandaag, dit week zitten we weer in een designhuis. Heel bijzonder, met waanzinnig veel trappen en smalle gangetjes.
Nou ja, wel iets, maar ik weet niet of dat op camera kan. Wat was je vraag ook alweer?
Maar heb je genoeg? Of,
Bla 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 bla. Ik vind het hier hartstikke leuk.
Out of the Toolbox is a festival where we try to invite people to do things in dance what they are not used to do.
It's an occasion to connect with people who really dedicate themselves to freeing yourself.
Elk jaar wordt er een curator gekozen en die stelt dan het programma samen met een bepaalde insteek en inderdaad inclusief gemaakt voor leeftijden, lichamen, ervaringen. Dat is out of the Toolbox.
To begin with, I had to look a little bit at your history, in which this year it's the 9th edition. I cannot come as an outsider only, but I have to be in context with something that is already going on for a while. So this was the ground, right? I firstly thought about the people. What kind of people I would like that we spend the week with.
Well, I'm always interested in people and wanting to foreground the person in the dancer. I'm inviting people to bring what they have, who they are, and I get to be, or we all get to be surprised by the results. So it's not like I'm trying to polish something which I already know about with an information that I have and I'm imparting, but I'm trying to facilitate a space where people can be their own teachers and teach each other.
As soon as we arrive into the room, I love to sense this, what is going on already, what the information that is already there, to use what we have right now, even if it's, like a tiredness, boredom, or like a excitement. So just to accept it, to recognize where we are at the present moment, and from there we depart, wherever we go.
And it's a big challenge. We not always succeed, we fail a lot. But I think that is the pathway somehow to listen what's there.
Here in this basket, we have made some prompts, some movement prompts. They're words. And you can embody them how you want or not. And if you're a bit lost for what to do, here will be a basket at the table. You can come and grab a word.
What are you?
I'm wet concrete. I thought it was obvious, but apparently it's not obvious.
People is also hungry to receive, to learn, to try different things.
Eigenlijk worden alle onmogelijke dingen mogelijk hier. Er is een enorme openheid en graagte ook bij iedereen om een speciale ervaring op te doen.
And then together with that, very updated teachers. Teachers that are relating with the context we are living in. They're not stuck in the spiral of their own practices.
This is the proposal, is to question a lot of things, to introduce you to the dance styles, bring this idea of as above, so below, as within, so without. Everything that happens in the galaxies and in the cosmos happens in our bodies. As social contexts create what dance styles are.
First, we need to know what the body is, and especially ours. And sometimes we just walk around and we don't even have the notion how things work, how things connect and are interconnected. So that's kind of how work starts.
We are bringing a lot of subjects and movement and knowledge that doesn't belong to the studio, doesn't belong to this space. So we need to also honor and to know how to work with it, always thinking how to give back.
Diagonal. Look your way. And then in the first left. Flat up. First left. Diagonal the other way. And the first left. Flat. It's an organization that I like to propose. It kind of forces you to dance with everyone in the room. And it causes you situations that you have to negotiate between the phrase, and my integrity of the phrase, my integrity of my body. Ball, step. Oh, rotate the head. Flat if you're on the diagonal. Shoulder, down. Toes, up. Down, up. Down, press.
We are not working with exhaustion here. You know, this is a practice to generate energy, actually. Try to understand what is your 100% in here, in flesh, in liquids, in skin, in hair. Even if it is small, how can I be 100% committed doing so? There is no smooth transition. It's like cut. And then take advantage that we are a collective. So this is a collective practice. So that the ones that have more energy, share, give to the others. The ones that have less energy, take it. So try to exchange this during the movement. You will see this. This is very effective. Try to be very effective. So my mission is activate my bones. And remember the small bones, the big bones. So at the end of these 5 minutes, you have to feel this activation of my whole skeleton.
And I think we cannot talk about pedagogy without talking about something that constantly updates. And it's very side by side with the world we live in. And there is no way to go right.
Elke techniek met elk lijf, zoals je dat ook al zei, zelfs in rolstoel of met een licht autisme, dat je hier kunt komen. En dat je ook als deelnemer kijken naar wat het mooie is ook in die lichamen en in hoe zij kunnen bewegen.
Asking people to consider how they watch, where they watch from, how what they see feels in their own body, and to acknowledge that and give value to that. Like there will be an image of your body, but I don't need your attention to be on the form and the image you're creating. I want them to be engaged in a more sensorial, somatic world.
So it's very much open to anybody and to everybody. And it's very invitational to come back.
And then we can recognize in our own body if we are like allowing movement, if we are available, or if we are right here, right now for in the space and for ourselves, or if we find some restrictions. to recognize and to name it. We name it, is this I'm allowing or I am resisting? And later on, we bring this into the improvisational work. So in the recognizing, there is no effort.
We need to share the lenses in which we talk about anatomy, because we do have a system in which we can name things, but we do not feel the same. We do not perceive the same, and we shouldn't.
If I stretch one part of my body, what happens to the rest of my body? There is almost like a reorganization, it's like a fabric that you're stretching, and it reaches everywhere in the body. So through the fascia, you reach everywhere in the body because there is a continuity. And we want to keep this continuity.
We need to collapse people, abandon. We release rigidity, this we can do.
It's like working with collective, people are not the same. And we need to see the potential of every single person to be able to work collectively. The body is the same. We need to see the potential of every single relationship to see the potential.
It's nice if there are 2 or 3 people that they're doing exactly the same loop, but it's just like
minimal.
Okay. Yes. Nice.
Because it's nice if then one person does this and the other person is cha cha, you know, and you just I do like cha cha, but he does just like cha cha, you know, and you see like one hand going like this and the other going like, you know. So, and it's also for you to charge up your body, charge up creativity. You can also touch, but not like don't big contact, but you know, you can also like ta 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 ta, you know, do very little things and. All right, one more time. Let's go.
When we put everybody to dance together, no matter the circumstance, we are co-elaborating a moment together.
Ja, dan heb je echt elkaar nodig om iets te creëren, lichamelijk.
First, make the group a safe space and to orient very clearly towards what we're going to do and to kind of build up that process in layers.
En ik vond het toen al, ik was toen 18 en voor mij was het een hele openbaring om op een dansfestival te staan met mensen die dubbel mijn leeftijd zijn, met mensen die in een rolstoel zitten, met mensen die slechtziend zijn. En na zoveel jaar terugkomen, merkt ook dat er heel veel mensen terugkomen. Dus je bouwt een soort kleine community op.
I don't think just because we say it's a safe space, we feel it.
Certain people will feel able to fill that space, other people won't. So then we're not hearing from people in the room.
A safe space is something that it's a collective responsibility by everyone that wants to share time and space together.
It's not so much an action, but it's a space to pick a move and make it your own.
To not go from being on yourself to co-create 100% phrase, for example, with a partner that you haven't touched or seen yet.
Ik vind dat je hier zowel de ruimte krijgt om je ding te doen. En dat voel ik enorm als vrijwilliger. Ik krijg hier de ruimte en ik word hier, dat is zo'n cliché, hè, maar ik word hier in mijn kracht gezet.
Also, like dialogues around consent, dialogues around touch, not assuming that everyone is available just to make themselves free and easy, but actually to remember that we all come from different backgrounds, so even our experience of touch is very, very subjective.
Alle docenten beginnen in rust en op het eind van de dag is er uiteindelijk iets geweldigs gebeurd. Maar dit wordt heel vaak gedaan vanuit een bepaalde rust.
If I want people to be heard, then it's giving time, so something about how you use time.
Bij Payola was het anders, omdat ze meer tijd geeft aan iedereen.
It's a short frame, it's 5 days. But it's not fast food, which gives you a sensation of, I have time to play, digest, sense.
Come down here, go to someone else. Yeah.
For me, it's just to put out age, put out style, put out image or whatever. Just do what you want to do and what you like to do. We have to create the things we want to have. Create a world where you want to live in. And this is a little bit what we are doing.
Dat is voor mij, ja, dansen is ook wat ik graag doe. Dus ik kan dat gewoon delen met anderen die hier ook zijn.
So this composition class, we worked with a task of how to create movement and then to put it through different procedures. So we had the task of making up to 10 movement phrase based on the movement tasks, weight shift, fold, unfold, and rotation, okay? Mm-hmm. They're already started. Oh yeah. So...
It's a presentation of 1 week workshop in which I was sharing a dance practice that started with the idea to facilitate exchange between different dance styles. So this dance practice wasn't born with the idea to be a performance, was born with the idea to be a dance practice made to be dance. So towards the end, we will invite you to dance with us, following a bit the rule of the dance practice.
Can you tell me in one word how was the festival integrated? No, I want to go again.
I loved it this year. It is, in one word, fascinating.
Lovely.
Super fantastic.
Can you tell me in a word how was the festival?
Explosive.
Can you tell me in one word how was the festival?
Sensual.
Do you want to say something? Can you tell me in a word how was the festival?
Fabulous.
Fantastic.
It was tremendous.
Amazing.
Wonderful.
Enriching.
I would say it's 5 if you choose. Incredibly sexy.
Can you tell me in one word how was it? One word.
That's just my words.
Perfect. Thank you.
Moving.
There's beautiful people here. Yes. Special here. Yeah. Yes, emotion. I don't get emotion.
In English, wet is also like emotionally like wet. Maybe it's an emotional concrete.